Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by rebooting and entering the BIOS right away. Press the manufacturer key, Del, F2, or ESC when the logo appears. Do this now. Once in, make note of current settings or photograph screens so you can restore defaults later. Unplug extra USB peripherals to avoid confusing boot detection. Plug in a prepared USB recovery stick if your plan uses external media. This matters because firmware controls the boot sequence and security features that affect safe mode access. Once done with initial notes, navigate to boot or security menus and change the boot order so your recovery USB or optical drive is first. Make sure to disable Secure Boot temporarily if Windows recovery tools won't load. Enable Legacy/CSM only if your recovery media needs it. These steps let the machine load a recovery environment outside the installed OS. Save your changes, often F10, then select Restart. This sequence ensures the firmware will hand control to your recovery tool rather than the normal. After the system reboots into your recovery environment, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options and Startup Settings. Restart from that menu, and when prompted, press the indicated key for Safe Mode, commonly 4 for Simple Safe Mode or 5 for Networking. Once in, you can diagnose drivers or remove problematic software. If the machine won't reach recovery, reset the BIOS to defaults, replug the recovery media into another port, and confirm Secure Boot is off. That troubleshooting tip fixes most boot blocking issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.